Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the platform and encoder. This determines steps that follow. Sign in, verify your account if required, then open OBS or Streamlabs and create a new scene. Next, add your camera and microphone sources so you capture video and audio. Make sure your connection meets at least 5 Mbps upload. Unstable speeds cause dropped frames. Once done, set a simple title and privacy option in the platform dashboard so your stream is discoverable and reachable by viewers. Now configure encoding and scene layout carefully so your stream looks professional. Set your canvas to 1280 x 720 or 1920 x 1080 depending on your hardware, and adjust bitrate between 2500 and 6000 kbps to match resolution and available upload speed. Add overlays, a microphone filter for noise suppression, and enable a test recording to check levels. Then copy the unique stream key from the platform and paste it and you are ready to go live. Hit start streaming in your encoder and watch the platform preview and chat to confirm delivery. Keep a local recording running as a backup so you have content if the stream drops. If viewers report quality issues, switch to a lower bitrate preset or a 720p canvas to reduce strain. When things fail, check CPU and GPU usage, reboot your encoder, and restart the router. These steps clear common hiccups. Make sure to communicate with viewers while troubleshooting to retain engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.